Earlier in the year, I shared with you a sweet gift that I received from my employer. And this very same gift brought me to a realization that I believe many of you can relate to. So today's video will serve as a reminder of an important truth that I think you all can appreciate. Stay tuned. Welcome back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. And I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. So friends, after I unboxed my cute little gift, I gently packed it away, put it on my desk, and I was waiting a little more for the perfect day. I was waiting for a day where the sun was out. I was waiting on a day where the sun was out and I had time to open the box and do the planting. I was waiting for a day where the sun was out. I could open up the box and have time to plant it and be in a good mood, and I would remain waiting. And at some point I had to come to the realization that this whole procrastination that I was embarking on would lead me to a place where I would never fully gain the enjoyment of the gift that I received. And so, on one slightly overcast day, and after a record number of delays, I decided to just jump right in and get those seeds planted. And for some added accountability, I brought my son along for the ride.
See that? That's cool. Top of seed push just below the surface, set in one place spot.
Okay, so where's the seeds at? What does this say to do with plant fertilizer? Does it say anything to do with plant?
Probably for the grow. Let's see.
Oh, you got more to put in?
I'm not sure if I put anything in yet.
I saw some go in. There they go. They're very tiny. Now, many of y'all know I am a city girl from the great state of New York that now lives in the rural south of Georgia.
Go ahead.
And that being said, I just would like to add that just because you live near farms does not necessarily entitle you to the natural instincts of those who know their crops, because as you guys can clearly see, we don't know what we're doing, right? Now, although we didn't know what we were doing, we still somehow managed to come together to plant these little seeds. And I'll have to say, we had fun. We definitely had fun. We enjoyed ourselves. And I think we just looked forward to seeing what would come out of the soil, what would grow from the seeds we planted. So once we had the seeds safely tucked away in the soil in this pot, we watered it gently and placed it in the windowsill so that it can get all of the sunlight that it so rightly deserves. Once those seeds were planted and were nurtured, it was only a matter of time that we would see this beautiful tiny little leaf sprouting from the soil. A little leaf that we never would have saw had I continued to procrastinate, waiting on the right day, the right mood, and the right amount of time to plant the seed. And it was in observing this whole process, watching the seedlings sprout out of the soil, that it occurred to me that we all have gifts planted within us. And the only way they grow is when we use them, when we nurture them. And so I hope it is a reminder to you to use your gifts. Don't wait until the right day. Don't wait until you have the right moment to use your gifts. It's in using your gifts that they grow and they blossom. We want to see the leaves growing. And in doing so, it brings joy into not only our lives, but the lives of those around us. Now, for a little craft inspiration, I used the packaging from the flower kit to create this belly band that I put into my junk journal, and tucked behind it is a note card that was attached to a bouquet of flowers that was sent to me by my husband. So there we have it, guys. Listen, I thank you so much for watching. Until we are back here together on YouTube and Patreon, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafty. Bye for now. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.